Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a nighttime routine all with 99cents only stores products. So I thought I would challenge myself and test out some of these 99cent store only products, and they actually expanded their line of products that they sell in their stores, which is, amazing. And I was kind of curious. I wanted to test out some of their new products that they have. They expanded their beauty line. So today's video I'm going to be putting these 99cent store only products to the test. So I have a few that I want to share with you guys. So I have a few products that I picked up. So the first one, this is their Beauty Essentials Spa Headband, and it comes in a few different colors. I picked up the purple one. So this is a little headband, and this is to keep your hair, out of your face while you're doing facials or putting on your makeup or anything like that. So this is something that I don't have, and I thought, hey, I actually do need this, and I wanted to give this a try. And it has adjustable straps. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take off my makeup, and then we're going to get into testing out some of the other products. So this is the first thing that I'm going to test out. So another product I am going to be testing out today, this is the New Pore. This is their nose cleansing strips, and it comes with 3 strips in here. So this is specifically for your nose area, and as you guys know, simply you just rinse your face, make sure your pores are open, and you apply it to your nose. So we'll get into this in a little bit. And then another product from New Pore, this is their face mask set, and it has 2 masks, one aloe mask and one cucumber mask. These are paraben free and sulfate free, which is really nice. So the aloe mask is supposed to moisturize, soothe, replenish your skin, and the cucumber is to rejuvenate. It's supposed to cleanse, tone, all that good stuff. So it has the collagen essence mask are infused with botanical ingredients to hydrate, soothe, brighten, and revitalize the skin's complexion. So I'm going to try this out after I do my nose strip, and this is simply something you can put on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I always love testing out masks, so let's see, this is only a couple bucks, can't wait to try it out. Next I have this Via Natural. This is their Ultra Care Coconut Oil, and this is to promote stronger, shinier, and healthier hair. You can moisturize your skin, cuticles, and nails. You can also moisturize your hair, your scalp, and body. So this is a 1.5 fluid ounce. So I'm going to come in close for you guys. And I really like coconut oil. There's a ton of really good uses for coconut oil. So I'll be using this, for my nails and my lips, anywhere on my body that needs some moisturizing. So this was something I thought would be nice to try out, because coconut oil is actually expensive. Some places that you go to, depending on the place, but definitely want to try this out. So another great beauty find. And the last thing that I picked up that I wanted to incorporate into this nighttime challenge, this is the Wellness Tea Digestive Calm Tea, and this is an herbal tea, so basically to help with digestion. I like digestive teas, especially a few hours after dinner. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. I thought this was a nice little find and something that I always have, in my nighttime routine is a good cup of tea. So those are all the products that I'm gonna be testing out. So let's get into this video. I'm going to take off all my makeup and let's get into this video. So now that my face is all washed and clean, I'm going to be using the Spa Headband to put my hair back while I test out these masks. So let's go ahead and open this up. So right off the bat, it is pretty soft and comfortable. So it looks something like this. So first I'm going to put my hair back. That way it is out of my face. So I'm going to simply wrap this on the back, like so. And like so. So immediately I can tell that my hair is out of my face. It feels really nice, and this will actually prevent my hair from getting wet when I wash my face, etc. So now that this is on, this feels really nice and comfortable. This is something that I definitely am going to use a lot. So let's move on to testing out the nose strip. So again, these are the New Pore nose strips, and we're going to open these up and pull one out. And simply it says to wash your face thoroughly, which I have done. And with dry hands, it says open the packet and peel off the strip from the plastic liner. It says to apply the strip to a moistened nose area with shiny side facing your skin, press down and smooth out air bubbles, ensuring a good contact with water. So I'm simply going to just wet my nose because that's where it's going to stick with some warm water. And so let's go ahead and open this up like so. And like this. So I'm going to peel off the nose strip like so. And the sticky adhesive side is going to be going on your nose like so. So I'm going to put it like so on my nose and press down like so. Now I'm going to put some more water on the strip. Now I'm supposed to just wait for this to air dry, and once it's fully dried then I will peel it off and we will see the results. So while my nose is drying, I'm going to be making some tea. This is the Tea Leaf Essentials, and this is the Digestive Calm Tea. So I'm going to go ahead and make some tea. So you get 10 tea bags in here. It smells really good, kind of like peppermint tea. I'm just gonna grab one of these and make some tea, get myself relaxed and ready for the evening. So it's been 15 minutes. I'm going to take off my nose strip. I made some tea. This is the digestive tea and it's really good. So I'm gonna sip on this while I take off my mask and do the rest of my nighttime routine. So I'm gonna just look in my mirror here and we'll slowly take this off. And I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera, but it did pull out a little bit of blackheads, and I can see that my skin is a little more smoother. So it's definitely a little bit more smoother. I did pull out a few of them, and now we're gonna move on and I want to test out the mask. So now we're gonna move on. I'm gonna be using the coconut oil. I'm gonna test this out. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my nails because my cuticles, they tend to get a little bit dry. So we'll just put a little bit on that. Immediately I can tell that this smells really good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna blend it into my cuticles, like so. You can see it's really like gonna hydrate and moisturize your hands. You can use it all over. It's for your body, for your hair, stuff like that. And I think I'll do a little bit under my eyes after I do my face mask. So let's go ahead and test that out. So the last product I'm going to be testing out from the 99-cent only stores. This is their face mask set and they have aloe and cucumber. So let's go ahead and open this up. I think I'm gonna try let's do the cucumber one. This one's going to kind of just freshen up, cleanse, and tone my face. So there's two masks right here as you can see, so I'm going to go ahead and do the cucumber one. I'll save this for another time. So basically you're just going to cleanse your face, it's going to be dry, and then you're going to apply the face mask for 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to massage the rest of the product on my face. And it does say that there's no rinsing required, so that's nice. So this cucumber mask, it has vitamin C, it has caffeic acid and water content. This is going to help with addressing any inflammation or dry skin you might have. And it also has antioxidants and flavonoids that can help relieve any skin irritation, swelling, and redness. So let's give this a go. And this is a sheet mask, so I'm just going to simply apply it like so. So I've had this mask on for about 15 minutes, and now I'm just going to kind of just rub in the remainder of the product. It says not to wash it off, so if you're someone who wants to wash it off, you can, but I'm just going to kind of let it soak into my skin, give it that extra kind of moisturization. So now going back in with the Via Natural, this is the coconut oil, so I've already used it to my cuticles, which is really nice. This is something that I'm going to do daily because my nails always dry out a little bit, so that's really nice. And you can use this for the ends of your hair if you want to. There's a lot of great things. So I'm gonna actually just put a little bit on underneath my eyes, just a little bit. So you can actually put this in your scalp if you want to. There's a lot of great benefits to this. So I'm just going to put a little bit under my eyes. Just give that like lubrication. And also to my lips. So that is my 99-cent stores only nighttime routine, and this was a fun little challenge to do. I could definitely see myself incorporating some of these into my normal nighttime routine. And I also wanted to share with you guys a sweepstakes. If you wanted to go on a 99-cent only stores sweepstakes, I will leave a link in the description box below. Definitely go enter. All you have to do is sign up to their newsletter and you'll be able to go on a little shopping spree in the 99-cent only stores, which is pretty fun. There's a lot of great variety of stuff in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found this video interesting. Definitely go check out some of the products that I tested out today. Definitely quality products that I was actually surprised about. So it's always great to find some cheap, finds out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Be sure to hit that little bell notification so you can get updated on, all the videos that I post frequently. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!